All right, we're at 1862 Shellbrook Drive, Huntsville. This is a repairability test for Curtis Vinson. I believe it was 7.22 squares of roof replacement approved. So this is a repairability test to see how the roof's going to hold up to those repairs. All right, this is the shingle we're taking. All right. Get that nail out. I can already feel that it's just from my finger, it's so brittle. Cracked right there, just holding it. Let's see. Oh, let's get that one too. Okay, it's another nail right there. Sorry, it limits it to 3-minute video increments. So there's a few more nails filled. Here's this nail. There's another nail somewhere. Oh. All right. So here is the shingle. Now we're going to try to reinstall the shingle. Here are our nails. Let's see. And look, just take a look at this. This is a keyframe mat transfer right there. mat transfer. Oops. I don't know if you can see that. Taking chunks out of the above shingle, right there as well. Mat transfer. Mat transfer again. Oops. See, there's more mat transfer. More mat transfer. I'll take some iPhone pictures of that as well for the record. Glass is going back on. All right. So there's the nailing line right there. There's one nail. And this is just simulating what a repair would entail. Let's put this nail here, because that nail has popped out. See, I'm just holding the shingle up and it has torn. See, right there, shingle is broken. It's broken there too. There's a crease starting to form here. Let's see, we had another nail needs to go here. You can literally hear the shingle creasing, and that's not even 90 degrees. Or, yeah. We've got another tear. See, there's a stress line that's formed. All right, we're nailing the final shingle into place. I don't know if you can see that, but just a little bit of a line forming there as well. See, I think we took a nail out of here as well. Or was it here? There's a nail there. We've got 2 nails on this one, so it's gonna have to go here. And these are all loose granules. They kind of fall out of place when you snap the shingles back down. So, all right. So I'm gonna have some before photos, after photos. You can see this crease in the shingles that's occurred. You can see right there. The shingle has broken. The shingle has broken there. The shingle is torn right there from being manually lifted, so the nails could be removed and reinstalled. And then a little bit of creasing on the lower shingles. But if we were to repair this roof, it would thoroughly damage the non-repaired slopes. So I'll get the photos together